that is an automatic process where those food that you're actually swallowing, the muscles of the esophagus or the digestive system will contract involuntarily or automatically to basically
Sir,
help to push the food down. Yes, Jones.
sir, when you swallow the food go in a circle and go down, sir.
Yes, while you're chewing the food, uh, the, the the tongue normally form one ball. So while you're chewing the food, just before you swallow, the tongue you form a ball with the food that is called bolus. So the food go down in a circular format. All right. So the cardiac muscle. So this is the third type of muscle found in the human body. And this cardiac muscle, it is only found one place in the human body, and that is in the heart. So the, so there is no other way in the body where it is found. Now it is also an involuntary muscle, meaning that it work automatically. The good thing about it is that this muscle it is extremely strong. They normally say that it is resistant to fatigue, and that simply means that it does not get tired easily. So it can work for years and years. And if you realize that it is a muscle that make up the human heart, and that is to tell you that the human heart it don't stop work for any long period of time. Like for example, if you're sleeping and you're on the bed, lying down, then the muscles in your arms they don't need to work because you're not moving the arms. That is not the case for the cardiac muscle. Once you are alive, it always working. So that's why they are saying that it resistant to fatigue, meaning that it actually and listen, wow, that simply mean that it can work for a long period of time without getting tired easily. So not that it won't get tired, but it is in terms of it getting tired easily. Right. So looking at those three types of yes, Jones.
It is beating very fast. What is that, sir?
Yeah.
The heart is beating very fast. What is that, sir?
All right. Your heart can beat fast for several reasons. It can be as a result of you doing something really strenuous, because the more the harder you're working, is the faster your heart will be working. Now, if you're sitting down normally, just comfortable, not doing anything strenuous, and your heart still feel like it is beating too fast, it can be a result of you developing some circulatory problem where a blood vessel might get narrower than how it's supposed to narrow. Your heart can beat fast if you're overweight. Your heart can beat fast if you're suffering from some illness that increase your heart rate, because we have some sickness that can increase your heart rate. So it all depends on several reasons.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, Anderson. I realize you had. Yes. It's the notes from last class. I just resend it because I'm explaining it. It's the same notes, right? It's the same notes, right? All right. So how muscle contracts. So in terms of movement taking place at your knee joint, at your elbow joint, any joint in the human body, your muscles need to work in what is known as pairs. That means that more than one muscle is working together to cause that movement. So the muscles normally start contract by the arrival of nerve impulses. What this means is that the brain will send information to that muscle or to those muscles telling them to start work, and the brain will only send information because it need to. So let's say for example you need to write some notes, then the brain gonna send the information to the muscles of your arms, telling them to start contract so you can write the notes. So that's why the first point I saying that the muscles start to contract at the arrival of nerve impulses, which definitely would carry the message. All right, so when I see you again, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go in detail in terms of how muscles contract. So you have the nose, so you can go ahead and do some movement. So we're gonna focus at the elbow joint, how you're able to extend the elbow joint, that is straightening it, and how you're able to bend the elbow joint. So movement at the
Who those are
yeah, next class we're gonna go through it. So and that's why I'm saying that you have the notes, so you can read through it. But next class is when we'll actually go through it in terms of me explaining it. And repeat
I'm saying the note
yeah, the notes. I send it in WhatsApp